butternut squash, crostata. You're gonna make your dough, and then once the dough is done, it literally can go in the freezer for a week. You can take it out the day before Thanksgiving and make the rest of the tart.
So easy.
That's it. Yeah, thank you. So, in our food processor, I've just got my all-purpose flour, and I'm gonna add in my whole wheat flour, and I'm gonna add in some butter. Cold butter.
Oh, geez. Literally, we said it in unison.
And a little bit of salt.
Blah, blah, blah,
You're just
blah.
gonna pulse it up. It's gonna come together. The cold butter is key because you want those flaky, beautiful, buttery notes. And then I'm just gonna add, very, very simply, actually I'm gonna add some lemon juice first.
Love.
And I'm gonna add, this is like what I think makes the creamiest, fluffiest dough, is a little bit of sour cream.
Nice.
Yes. It just smooths it out and gives it such a beautiful texture.
I'm gonna try that, Gail. I've never added sour cream to mine. That's so great. I love that trick. And
there you go.
A little bit of tang and tart.
That's right.
In the background.
And then if you need it to come together.
A little bit of sass.
A little sass, a little tang, a little punch.
And a little splash of water.
A little bit of ice water. Make sure that water's cold too. And that'll make the whole dough come together. So there it is. And this is the dough. You literally have to do nothing else. You can see when you pick it up that it sticks.
Beautiful.
It's sticky and it's beautiful.
It's
and
perfect.
that's all you need. Take it out of here. Take out the blade first because that could be dangerous. Roll it onto some plastic. And then you're just gonna pat it together and it'll form a disc really easily. And this is what's gonna go right in your freezer.
And that baby just sits and waits for you.
That's right. You can smooth it out a little bit. It doesn't really need much work. And this can go in the freezer. You can make ×3 and then you have them all ready. I mean, they'll last for a couple months.
Adorable.
That's it, right?
Pop it in.
Yep, thank you very much.
Done and done.
And then I'm gonna make the filling. All I have here are some shallots thinly sliced that I'm browning because they're gonna be caramely and sweet and tossed on top.
They smell so good.
Right? They're just like the base of flavor that everybody needs. And once they're browned, they can go right in here. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with some fennel. You know, fennel can be a bit polarizing. Like, are you a fennel fan?
Are you kidding?
Okay, I know.
Yes.
You got the Italy in you, so I know.
I'm a fennel fan.
Thank you very much.
If you think you don't like fennel, you're wrong.
Try again.
Yes.
Yeah, I agree.
Just cook it until it's sweet and you'll like it.
These are very, very thinly sliced, and they're gonna cook until they're a little brown and golden. But we can move on for now.
We can move along.
I'm gonna actually just make a little bit of a ricotta mixture here.
I'm gonna stand over here and eat your fennel.
Yeah, eat the fennel. See? Nice. So I have some fresh ricotta right here, and I have a little bit of garlic, some rosemary, some thyme, a little bit of sage if you want, and lots of lemon zest.
Your usual suspects.
That's it.
Yep.
A little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, and I'm just mixing it all together. And this is gonna be the base of my crostata, sort of like the marinara would be to the pizza. You
Gotcha.
know what I mean? So when you take your dough out of the freezer, you pop it in the fridge overnight, it comes, it defrosts, you take it out, and you want to bring it, you don't want it to be fully room temperature. You want it to be cool. If it gets too hot, it's gonna start to get sticky. But you want to lie it out on a
piece of
parchment paper,
right?
And roll it out to a big round circle. You don't
doesn't have to be
fussy.
perfect.
And then you're just gonna start, doing it like this. So I'm gonna take some of my beautiful ricotta out here. You want to leave a bit of a border, remember, because this is going to be
a little bit of room because you got to tuck in.
That's right, exactly. And then if you want to just take some of this, I have some celery root and butternut squash.
Ooh, I love that.
These are super thin ribbons. If you have a mandolin, go for it. If you have a mandolin, carefully do it on a mandolin. If you don't, use a Y peeler, like a vegetable peeler, and you can make super thin ribbons.
Or even some of the box graters. I have a box grater that has a wide blade on the side.
That's beautiful.
There you
Piled up like that. And then I have my fennel that we browned so beautifully earlier. That's it. You're gonna then fold this up, and you can just kind of fold it around.
Isn't that great?
This is it. This is literally it, and you're gonna be like impressing your guests. A little egg wash just to make it all golden and crispy. And then it's gonna go in the oven. We can pop it in. Halfway through baking, I'm gonna take some Parmesan cheese and put it on top, like that. Halfway through. I don't know if I need to put on the pan to
Whatever,
bake it.
it's fine.
Yeah, you know what I mean. And then it comes out.
Move it on down, girl. I want to try it.
This is it. Now my last little flair, my flourish, I take a little bit of honey, a little bit of chili flakes, and some lemon juice.
Hot
Mix
honey.
it up, some hot honey.
We put it on everything. We put it on pizzas,
so good.
crostatas. We love it.
Right? And look at that.
Yeah.
And then at the table, happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Boom.